Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to solve merge conflicts in Paradime. If you're not familiar with Paradime, it's a cost-effective platform where analytics teams can manage every aspect of their DBT lifecycle. And this mini tutorial should give you a feel for what the platform offers and how it's useful. So right now I'm in the Paradime editor and I made some changes to one of my models. And now I'm ready to commit and push these changes to Github. Within seconds, Paradime can identify if a merge conflict exists and provide all the context I need to resolve it. On the left panel, Paradime gives me the option to abort the merge. And on the right, Paradime shows me exactly what the merge conflict is and gives me several options to resolve it. So here I can accept my current change, or I can accept the incoming change. Or in some scenarios, you might want to accept both changes. And lastly, if you need more context, you can compare the changes side by side. And once you've decided how to resolve the merge conflict, you click commit and resolve, and then you open the pull request as usual. And Paradime makes it easy to manage every aspect of your DBT lifecycle, including those annoying merge conflicts. Enjoy!